For decades, thousands of Filipinos waited many months, sometimes more than half a year, to just correct a single detail in their civil registration records. Delays, human error, and back and forth paperwork have long been barriers to accessing basic services and opportunities. But in October 2024, that began to change. The Administrative Petition for Correction Automated System, or APCAS, was launched by the Philippine Statistics Authority to bring speed, accuracy, and transparency to civil registration correction process. From manual, paper-based transactions to a secure, automated workflow, APCAS was piloted in 18 regions across the country to offer people a more convenient way to correct their records.
So, it started in a napkin. Tapos, eto yung gusto kong mangyari. And then, si ITDS, yung mga developers natin, they work around that process flow. No? Diagram lang yun siya nag-start. So, the DPSU, kasi merong mga IT dyan na yung background nila is IT, had organized a group of people who are sharing the same goal to produce certain tool that would potentially benefit the madlang people. Ang steps ng APCAS, from siguro dati ang sa manual process 14. Sa APCAS, magiging 5 na lang siya.
With APCAS, these opportunities became more accessible. Families and individuals from all regions now experience a faster and more reliable civil registry service.
My first impression with APCAS, it was enjoyable. Napakagaling, napakadali pala ng system ng APCAS. It is a user-friendly at madaling i-navigate. So as a matter of fact, we processed 12 petitions under APCAS and 5 out of it were affirmed by CRG. After 2 weeks, it was affirmed. So napakagandang experience po at napakadali po talaga ng proseso under APCAS.
Jane Kapulintan Shani, nag-aubra dyan sa Municipality of Gimbal, kada o Gimbal, Iloilo. Gingamit ko ang APCAS para sa correction kung aking birth. Kaya upon checking sa pinaplayan ko civil service, may correction. Sa akin nga rin, kung sa diin, ang ginagamit ko is Elona Jane. Then sa akin authenticated, Elona-Jane. Then sa akin yung date of birth, to birth as kay hindi na mabasahan. Then sa parents ko, sa first name, correction sa first name.
Ako galit si Annalise de la Peña. March 6 na file ako sa correction sa akon ba na Diyos Coro to Diyos Coro Junior. So pumaga, mga alas 10, kaya nagitawagan ko sa office sa civil registrar na-approve na daw ang akong naging file. Ang kalipay ko na doon yung, hindi hama kayo ka namin sa proseso, kadali lang daw, 3 lang kabulan. Amo lang napadamo ko salamat sa civil registrar.
Ako gali si Chenilyn Hicanal Gibraltar from Barangay Tucolo, Gimbal, Iloilo. Nagpasalamat ako sa PSA Central Office, PSA Regional Office, and PSA Provincial Office for choosing the Municipality of Gimbal na maging venue kang pilot testing kang APCAS. Thank you man sa LCR Gimbal, headed by Mrs. Percilet Guidato kag sa LCR office staff.
I'm Perla Siquidilla, City Civil Registrar of the City of Caranadal. APCAS offers a user-friendly interface that allows citizens to easily navigate and submit their petitions. It also features real-time tracking, providing transparency for both staff and petitioners. Embracing APCAS reflects our shared commitment to digital transformation, improved public service delivery, and a government that truly works smarter. By adopting this system, we empower not only our offices, but the people we serve.
APCAS is only the beginning. PSA envisions its integration with the decentralized copy annotation process or DCAP, making the system even more streamlined and accessible in the future. With corrections now faster and easier, PSA encourages Filipinos to make use of the system when needed, because your records matter.
Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa ating mga local civil registrars sa pagtangkilik, especially doon sa 18 na pinilot test natin. Lubos kaming nagagalak dahil kayo ay nagbibigay ng inyong mga komento at mga feedback. Develop natin ng mas maganda ang APCAS.
A single correction can change a life. With APCAS, the Philippine Statistics Authority has taken a step forward in delivering accessible, reliable, and citizen-centered services. By correcting records, we are opening doors to opportunities, to rights, and to better future.
Sa mga kababayan din natin, salamat na kayo ay nag-participate din doon sa pag-conduct natin ng pilot. Sa ating mga kababayan, antabayanan nyo lang yung mga pag-roll out natin sa APCAS sa buong Pilipinas. Mag-start po tayo sa 82 initial rollout areas, 1 in each province para sa rollout activities starting October 2025.
The Philippine Statistics Authority endeavors to deliver a seamless public service. That is why we are crafting several measures to provide an efficient and effective civil registration and vital statistics implementation through digital transformation. I am calling every LCR that we work hand in hand in achieving our fervent desire to serve the people. We truly look forward to having you in this humble endeavor. Indeed, the future of seamless CRBS lies in our hands. Thank you and more power.
I am Butcham Batali, and I am the Director of the PSA Legal Service, and this is the APCAS Journey.